Hello, I am Praveen Doshi. This package is made for FYBSc physics students. Various animations, simulations, and expert lectures are added in this package for deep understanding of students. Student can learn it independently using mobile phone, PC, or laptop as and when they require. They can repeat it. This course is divided in three parts: paper 1, paper 2, and paper 3. Next button is given, then back button is given here, and exit button is given to exit from this package. So if you press next button, it goes to next frame like this. Again next frame. If you want to come back to its original position, then you have to press back button. Then paper 1 is again divided in two parts, section 1 and section 2. Section 1 is for term 1, it is mechanics, and section 2, it is for term 2, that is heat and thermodynamics. If you press this button, it goes to mechanics. Then various topics are given here. If you press say topic 1, that is Newton's laws of motion, then again it is divided into various subtopics. Say Newton's first law. It is explained with the help of various examples. So animation is also used. That is, Earth is rotating around the Sun. Then, to explain balanced force, you have to press this button. Again, this force is explained with the help of various examples. So here it is given. Then it is explained with the help of say, spring experiment, and again it comes back to its original position. Then Newton's first law is also explained by expert lecture by Professor Mack.
Oh, hello. Welcome to my laboratory. My name is Professor Mack, and today I'm going to be talking about Newton's first law of motion. This is one of three laws which Sir Isaac Newton published in 1687. The laws explain the interaction of forces and objects, and the way in which the motion of an object is affected by force. So what about the first law? Well, the best way to understand this is for us to do an experiment. Okay, well, here is our experimental setup. We have a block of wood here representing our object, and as you can see, it is resting on a very smooth surface, which is so smooth we can assume that it provides no resistance to the block moving on it. So what about Newton's first law? Well, it states that an object, such as our block here, will remain in its current state of rest, in other words not moving, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. So let's look at our block. You can see it's not moving, and it continues to stay that way. So Newton's first law would suggest that the forces on the block must be in balance.
Then we
Otherwise,
can come back
it would
using back button. Then this is next button. Law of inertia is explained by simple experiment. Then here various demos are shown. If you click here, it shows various demos based on law of inertia. See this experiment. Then if you press home button, it comes to its original position. Then if you press a frame of reference, it is explained by various pictures. Then frame of reference is explained with the help of animation. So this projectile path is there. So this projectile path, again inertial frame of reference is explained by example of car. Then earth is moving around sun. Then again you come back to its original position. Then home, it shows to its original position. Similarly, you can go for section 2, heat and thermodynamics. Various subtopics are there. If you press say topic 1, state of thermodynamics, again various subtopics are given. Here it is explained with the help of example. Then small simulation experiments are given based on PV is equal to RT. It is gas equation. This table shows pressure and volume. So here, if you increase pressure, volume decreases and vice versa. Then next simulation, that is temperature and volume, they are directly proportional. If you decrease temperature, its volume decreases, and if you increase temperature, its volume increases. Again you come back to its original position. Various examples are also shown. Hint is given. So with the help of hint, student can solve it. Again, you can come back to its original position. Like this, you may go for paper 2, section 1 and section 2, and similarly this is practical course. So student can enjoy